Our cute makeup kit is ready to shine. Now it's time for some magic. Abracadabra, magic. Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw a cute makeup set.
Wow!
So let's get started.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tall.
Let's color it now. I am putting the purple color.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Now I am putting the light yellow color. Now I am putting red, light green, purple, sky blue,
Yankee Doodle
brown,
town riding
and
on a
sea green.
pony, stuck a feather in his
Now I am putting sky blue and sea green, dark yellow color.
Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Now I am putting the sea green color. Now I am putting the dark purple color. I am putting now the pink color.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step.
Our cute makeup kit is ready to shine. Now it's time for some magic. Abracadabra, magic.